to our channel. Today I'll be showing you the ways to verify your OKX account. So to verify your OKX account, you just have to follow the steps. You could either verify your account during the creation of your account, or you could do it after creating your account. So first thing, go to open up your account, and this is how it's going to look like. So as you can see that my account is not verified, so there is this feature as verify now button. Go ahead and press on it. As you press the verify now button, it's going to take you to the page where you need to go ahead and start entering your information or filling out the verification process. So click on verify here. You could go ahead and read the instruction. As you can see, you'll have to provide your information, that is your ID type and all of that. So I'm gonna go with the citizen, or you could either go with the passport, driving license, whichever is convenient for you. Next thing, what you have to do is enter in the information of your national ID card. As you're done entering the information, it's going to take you to the page where you need to go ahead and verify your date of birth. As you do that, next you have to go ahead and take a selfie, and when you've done with that procedure, just submit it, and it's going to take a couple of hours or maybe 24 to 48 hours in order to confirm the verification, and you'll have successfully verified your OKX account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.